The determination of income in an open economy. National income identity for an open economy. While in a closed economy, we find consumption, government spending, and domestic investment as being the sources of the demand for domestic goods. But in open economy, the national income identity depends on exports and imports, while the latter would fall with foreign goods in the domestic field and thus would be subtracted from the aggregate amount. Here we can get the concept of net exports. When the exports is greater than the imports, it implies the trade surplus, and in converse, while the exports recedes, the trade deficit occurs. In order to determine the equilibrium income in an open economy, the investment and government spending are generally taken as autonomous. On the other hand, we can see that higher real exchange rate makes the foreign goods expensive. Marginal propensity to import. When a country falls in a financial crisis while importing significant amount of goods, it will affect those countries as well who are exporting the goods to that country. The level of negative impact on imports, while the income declines, is generally greater when the country has a marginal propensity to import greater than its average propensity level. It depicts the higher income elasticity of demand for the imported goods, which consequently causes to decline in the income level and thus proportionally downsizing the import amount as well. Autonomous expenditure multiplier and its effects. By the aid of multiplier process in an open economy, the value of autonomous expenditure multiplier uses to reduce. For an example, a change in government spending not only affects the income but impacts the rate of consumption and the recycled income rate as well. In this respect, if we see that marginal propensity of consumption turns positive, a portion of consumption will be inclined towards foreign goods, which consequently reduces the domestic income.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.